guys, we are right in front of the Pavilion Mall. As you can see here, this is the waterfall. I'll be going in the Pavilion Mall. I'll be showing you guys what's the situation in the mall, what you can see and expect going on in the mall. There's also a few bars in pavilions, bars and cafe. I'll show you guys what's happening around there, so stay tuned and follow me. This is in Pavilion. They have a section where there's few restaurants and cafe, and also some bars in Pavilion. So as you guys can see, they are operating as usual now, and the crowd is also back. Yeah, this is all about Pavilion and KL City. Alright guys, I finished eating my dinner, so now I'm heading back to home. That was pretty much about the KL city, the nightlife, Bukit Bintang, Pavilion, the mall. Yeah, now it's getting night now. It's about 9:30 PM here, so I'll be heading back to home now. If you guys liked my content, please give it a like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching my videos, and stay tuned for more adventures. I'll be going to Langkawi pretty soon, so I'll be taking some videos there. How's the situation in Langkawi, because now Langkawi is open to travel. So let's I'll show you guys what's happening in Langkawi. Yeah, that'll be all for today. See you guys and take care.